what's in a number?
At Bloomberg, numbers tell us where the challenges are, where the unmet needs are.
We have always said, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it.
Data. Numbers with context are data.
Here at Bloomberg, data is everything.
Data fuels the company, which then fuels the philanthropy to create even greater impact.
When we began our work over a decade ago, the data was clear.
At the time in the US, nearly 50% of our power came from coal.
So we brought together partners to help accelerate a grassroots movement to shut down coal-fired plants, first in the US and now around the world.
Our environment program has built on that success to tackle other leading drivers of climate change, like stopping the rush to gas.
When we started our public health program, tobacco use was a leading driver of many causes of premature death. So we took on tobacco control by creating strong partnerships around the world.
We also created initiatives in road safety and healthy food policy, and in the US, tackling the opioid crisis.
Mike's experience in City Hall made us realize that local governments are in an incredible position to solve the most important issues that we face. Our first convening brought just 12 mayors together here at East 78th Street.
10 years in, we've built one of the world's largest networks of mayors and city leaders, designed to help them solve problems in new and more impactful ways.
2014, Bloomberg Associates began our in-depth pro bono consultant practice with Mexico City. And to date, we've had tremendous success and impact on 17 cities around the world.
The vibrancy of cities is directly linked to arts and culture. We've supported public art installations around the world to bring people together, address civic challenges, and generate revenue.
We also increase access to the arts through technology and help small and mid-sized cultural organizations thrive.
When we started our education program, over 50% of high-achieving, lower-income students did not apply to or attend top colleges.
We've now helped advise over 74,000 students to open doors to opportunity in partnership with colleges and universities all across the country.
During the pandemic, Black Americans were dying at nearly 3 times the rate as white Americans. So we stepped in to support the next generation of Black doctors, and we will continue to follow the data to build this body of work and increase intergenerational wealth within Black families and communities.
During the pandemic, we remained flexible.
We reached out to our existing partners.
We convened.
We relied on experts.
We shared solutions
to tackle new challenges
together.
Because our work isn't just a numbers game.
Data is more than just a number.
The data represents our deepest value.
Data represents life.
That's what's in a number.
Human lives.
Livelihoods.
People.
Neighborhoods.
Communities.
That's what our work is really about. That's why we continue to build on past successes and lessons learned.
So we can ensure better, longer lives for the greatest number of people.